All right, we're gonna do a triple, quadruple backflip off this roof. We got it. All right, we're gonna do a triple, quadruple backflip off this roof. No, I'm just kidding, but I'm just gonna jump off this roof. It's maybe about, let's see how big it is really quick. At least, what do you say, 18 feet maybe?
Probably
at least 18 feet into 5-foot pool, so we're going for it. Worst thing that could happen is I bruise my heels. Actually, no, the worst thing that can happen is way worse than that, but we'll save that for later.
okay.
All right, let's go. Oh yeah, you're right, this is gonna be tough. Let me see how easy it is. Oh, I got that right up there. We made it. Hardest part out of the way. Hot chocolate. We got it.
Oh crap! I forgot to press record.
No way.
Just kidding.
I was gonna wreck you. Holy crap, that is high. That's higher than it looks. Look. Holy crap. So, let me call Evan really quick. Call Evan the diving master series.
Alright,
we gotta call it.
We hold these truths to be self-evident that all men are created equal and that they are endowed by their Creator with certain inalienable rights, that among are life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. But yeah, I would probably just try to scoop down and from there, but if you're not feeling comfortable, I wouldn't do it. So it looks like you're not too comfortable, so don't do it.
Coming down, we failed this. Thought that was your mom for a second. We failed this try, but we're gonna try it again. Well, Evan's gonna come over and do this for you guys sometime, and we're gonna film it. All right, so we failed this. I can't believe Evan said that sketch. That's so. Good thing I didn't do a double back.
I know, right?
Alright, wow. Man, you gotta get some more solid stings, alright? Ready?
Yep.
I'm gonna test it once. No. Stop!
6.5 hours later.
Why did that hurt my chest? Doing some landscaping, I'll take $10 an hour here.
Yes, sir.
I'm just kidding, alright. Alright, ready? You going? Hey, I tried it.
You did it, right?
I hit my head, but it's better than landing and doing
That
a
is
dive,
true.
a back flop. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe. Like I said, Patreon. I'll put the Patreon link below. If you want to support me on Patreon, go ahead. I'd really appreciate it. Even if it's $3 a month, that means the world to me because all our videos are not monetized and are not all. No, that's a lie. The last 4 videos have not been monetized, so I'm doing some Patreon stuff. So Patreon, Aaron Honer, link will be in bio. Not trying to beg for money, but kind of am. All right, later, guys.